Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Euro dollar monthly, I'm still very bullish overall. I still think this is going to turn into a nice uptrend, probably a nice five-way pattern to the upside. Eventually, I think it will take out these highs. If you actually zoom out on the monthly, I still think it's actually part of an expanding flat wave C, which means that once it goes up to one of these higher fib levels, it probably will make a bigger move to the downside. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this move up is a wave one. I think that we already have an expanding flat wave two that ends right here. And that means I believe this move up is a wave one. I believe this move down is a wave two, a one of three, a two of three, and I think there's a pretty good likelihood that we are already in this wave three of three, and that overall it's going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows to create that pattern like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame, this is where you can see this nice uptrend. One, two, three, four, five. I'm calling this a wave one of three. This move down definitely looks a little bit like a trend, but I think that's mostly because of the euro. It was very weak at the beginning of this year. But I mean, I still am calling this an ABC correction. Definitely went down to a fib level, made a nice impulsive move to the upside, made a nice break of structure. I think the wave two of wave three is already complete, and I believe over the coming weeks and months on these higher time frames that will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and keep on trending up in that wave three of wave three. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we had a nice little five-way pattern on the sort of time frames too. Nice little one, two, three, four, five. Then we had impulsive down wave A, corrective up wave B, impulsive down wave C. Looks like we already had the end of a correction. And if that really is the end of a correction, then this will go up. It will take out these previous highs, and I think it will just keep on trending up from there, like what I was showing on the higher time frames. So keeping all that in mind, I am definitely looking for longs on the sort of time frames. We already had a nice entry once today. This is actually what I would call an A, B, C, D, E. It's basically just a five-wave correction. Hopefully what this is an end of a correction right here, and this is a one, this is a two, and we are now in a wave three, and it's just over the coming, day or two, it's probably going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows. It's eventually going to go up and take out this high, and most likely just keep on trending like those patterns I was showing on the much longer time frames. So if you do trade below the 1 hour, I would actually definitely be looking for longs at the end of any pullbacks that I see for the continuation of what should be a wave three, which is actually part of a bigger wave three on the longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.